Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video is going to be about my parents' living room makeover. So I've been doing this project for the past 1 month and I still haven't completed it yet. So I'm like in the process of doing, and I thought like, okay, why not just record an introductory video for this. So I've pretty much completed like the 80% of the job is done, like painting the walls and making some interior changes, like removing the old furniture and replacing it with the new ones and all that. So I did a lot of DIYs in this and they are really interesting. So I will share you guys what all I did. I really wanted to go with a theme. So it's like pretty much neutral and there's no colorful substance going around here. So I've decided to go with the black, white, gray and beige theme. So this is more like a Scandinavian theme, I would say. Most lately I've been seeing a lot of videos with the Scandinavian styles and I'm pretty much impressed with it, and I really started liking the style. Here, since this is my parents' home, I thought like, okay, let's be decent enough to bring neutral colors into the decor. Now I've been talking a lot, so let's just jump right into the video. So this is the mood board, guys. As I already told you earlier, I'm going with neutral shades and I wanted to incorporate the look with at least one piece of warm toned wooden furniture because I feel like it gives the Scandinavian vibe, and also I wanted a very solid neutral colored sofa and an upholstered dining chair. Yes, definitely I'll be adding in some greenery as well. So this is the overview of the living area, and it has been a couple of years since we painted the walls. So I'm going to be repainting the walls with the color that is similar to the one that we already have. And I'm going to be turning the window frames, shutters and the door to black. Moving on to the section, I totally forgot to take a before pic. So here is the picture after we got rid of the wash basin that we had earlier in that spot and the refrigerator over there. I initially had no idea of what I was going to do to this section of the living room, but it turned out something really nice. So do watch this video till the end for the transformation. Here I'm using Asian Paints Premium Emulsion, and I did not apply a primer here as the color was already similar. So I went ahead with just a single layer of paint and it did give a good coverage. So I spray painted the switch box outer covers to black, and with the help of an electrician, we replaced the switches to new ones. This is how it looked after we chipped off the tiles, and the area needs a very good sanding, and also you need to apply wall putty on top to even out the surface for further painting process, and that's what I did here. As for the dining table, I did not want to dispose it because the condition of the table was good, but also wanted to change the entire look. So I decided to retain the legs alone and change the top of the table. So I went ahead with this blackish gray wooden toned finish and decided to buy new dining chairs alone. This unit is right opposite to the wash basin area where we generally keep all our crockery and glass items here. I bought this wooden finished wall sticker on Amazon for a reasonable cost, and I decided to cover the entire unit shelves with the sticker. What do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like
like you did sometimes, seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 oh.
Spray painting has always been my favorite thing to do, and here I'm going to transform few items which I already had in my house that did not serve any purpose at all. These are the three colors that I'm going to be using now.
Wrong, wrong, but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, love, love.
Alright guys, so here are a few clips of some interesting DIYs that I made for this project, and I'm not going to share everything here on this video because it might be a lengthy one, and hence I made a separate video for that and posted it previously. Do check my description box in case you're interested. This cabinet here, I got it from a local store near my parents' home, and it really blends in with all the other elements. And also I decided to make this space like a foyer area. I felt like this cabinet would definitely fit this spot, and I'm planning to keep a mirror right above the cabinet. And also I might add some decor stuffs as well. So this is the mirror that is going to go above the cabinet, and I got it custom done from a local vendor with a black frame. This is an Ottoman that I ordered from Amazon. It came in this package like very sleek. This had an upholstered top and a thick cardboard-like box as the bottom section. I wanted to hide all the essential takeaway items like helmets, umbrellas, etc. Hence, I ordered the seating cum storage unit. Although I'm skeptical about the seating, it does serve the purpose of a storage unit. Here are the dining table chairs that I bought from a website called Neil Kamal, and these are upholstered ones but also feels very lightweight. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video as much as I did making it. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up in case you liked it, and do subscribe to this channel for more such home decor related videos. See you guys in another one. Take care. Bye.